Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you my journey from $0 to $1,000 per day. If you want to know how to make money online, click the link in the description box below where I have shown my most recommended system out there. Today I have come up with a very interesting topic, that is launch jacking. How to make money from jacking. You have heard the idea of launch jacking, and if you do not know it, then every day different products are launched on different platforms like Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and we can easily promote products that are just about to launch using different methods and make money online. Actually, what happens is I will just show you how can you make money. Let's suppose this is a product that is about to launch in just after 4 or 5 days, and different people who have a huge email list, generally they will start sending their subscriber email before that product launches. Let's suppose they start sending email 7 days before that product launch, so they will send daily one email, second email, third email, fourth email, just try to warm up the subscribers. So when the product launch, they will send them the affiliate link in the email ID, and people will buy that product from the from their affiliate link. So those affiliates will actually make the commission. This is the benefit of the email list. However, as per my experience, I have seen that the people 25% of the people actually buy that step from those affiliates, while other 75% of the people will actually come to the Google or YouTube to find the review about that particular product, whether this product is a good one or a bad one, because either those affiliates have not built so much trust with the subscribers, or even some people are more skeptical, they even want to know more about the truth about that particular product, so generally they will come to the Google or YouTube. So here we can benefit. We either create a review by creating a website and rank up on Google to show that 75% of the people about the quality of the product, or we can create a YouTube review video and shown up people whether this product is a good one or bad. So before starting how to promote products using launch jacking, then you should be familiar with one main website, that is muncheye.com, muncheye.com. It is actually a platform which tells us the dates and the product name when that product will about to launch on that particular date. So let's suppose Simon Warner design bundle. Its price is $47 and it offers a commission of 50%, 8th of March. So this is big launches, big prices, big pricing, and all launches. Here you could see all list of launches. So all you need is to select a product. Let's suppose today's date is 2nd of 21st February 2019. So you generally need to select a product that is just 10 days or 15 days after current date. So let's suppose Mark Link quit 9 to 5 Academy. I have selected this product 12th March. It is about to launch on 12th of March. So just first you move to their page, and here you could see that affiliate network, it was about to launch on Clickbank. ClickBank is a marketplace. Either they generally launch on ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus. So your first task is to move to that product page and register yourself as an affiliate by enter your name, enter your ClickBank ID and enter your email address. Because this is a ClickBank product, so it will require your ClickBank ID. While other products that are launching on JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you need to create your JVZoo and Warrior Plus account and need to apply those products before actually promoting it. Because at first generally some of the product owners will not allow you to promote their products. Once you have an established history and selling history, generally you will get a good approval rate. But at start, generally you will not be approved by majority of the vendors. So do not give up, because you could see that there is a huge list of product out there and you need to start working after getting approval from the products. Generally you could apply 10 to 12 products on a daily basis. So as soon as you get the approval, you would start creating product reviews or videos for promoting those products. So I hope you get approval related to this product, and all you need is to contact the owner, because you are thinking about how you can know about this product and tell other people what this product is all about. So here you could see that email, you could find the owner's email and Skype address as well. So just contact with the owners and ask them about you are promoting their products, and if you could send me a review copy, if you could send me a copy so that I can review it. I hope, and as per my experience, more than 50% or 60% of the product owners will send you a copy for free. So even at start you may not get replied by everyone, but once you have a established history and in this field for a few months, then generally you could get review copy very easily. So once you get the review copy, or even if you didn't get the review copy, you could get the idea about the product here. So let's look at the product. These are the prices given there. If you achieve certain criteria benchmarks, then they will also offer you the prices as well. So this is given some idea about the product. Is a unique and highly comprehensive that teaches you how to generate a niche product like iPhone charges. So generally it is an academy that teaches people how to promote products to other people. Like you will get the idea about cost per click, CPC, click-through rate and other things like that. So once you are in this field, you could easily get the idea about what this product is all about. So it consists of 7 modules. You could easily get the idea and make a slides about 7 modules, and our personal high converting Facebook ads generally. So this product is using Facebook ads and promoting affiliate products, and other weekly live mastermind call. They will also access your Facebook group and community. So I hope you get the idea about what this product is all about. So the main step is you now need to create a video or create a website. I generally prefer you to start with the creating your YouTube channel and then regularly making up review videos for those products. And once your channel gets an authority, then you will start seeing videos on the first page of the YouTube. However, you can also use creating a website, and there are two ways. One is creating a churn and burn website, I think this concept is now old now, but still many people are using. And how can you use it? Just see the name of the website, like quit 9 to 5. So quit 9 to 5 review. So all you need is to find a domain name related to the product, and like a product name, review, or scam. Generally people search those words. So just you need to buy the domain name. So here you could see that this domain name is available. All you need is to add to the cart and view card, and you need to pay the amount using either this port PayPal and credit card. So I hope you get the idea. So, and once you come purchase that domain, you also need a hosting. You can purchase hosting from different hosting platforms like HostGator and bluehost.com. So once you purchase the domain, you can set up your DNS in the Namecheap, and your domain will be installed on your hosting. After that, you need to install WordPress on your website. The hosting platform you choose, they will access you to the free one-click installation of the WordPress, and where you could easily add your content and review. So, but generally it is a long process. So I generally recommend you to create a YouTube video. So let's suppose if you search quit 9 to 5 academy review, then you could see that people have already created videos about that product. So generally 22-second, I do not recommend you to create video in 22 or 50 or 30 seconds video. So just this let's suppose, yeah, this is a good one. You can create video about 5-10 minutes long, in-depth video about a particular product. Don't copy from the sales page of the product, because some people copy videos from the sales page and upload that video on their YouTube channel. However, it didn't work at all. Generally you may get 1 or 2 sales, but if you want to make a handsome money, then I recommend you to create your own video. Just I am creating video by recording a voiceover. If you do not like to show your face, then that's fine. You can record your desktop and voiceover, just like I am doing. So just tell about the product. What is the product? How can you make money from it? And what are its pros and cons? And clear call to action that if you want to purchase that particular product, then there is a link inside the description box. Let's suppose I show you. Let's suppose. So
hey, what's going on?
yes, this person has also recorded a voiceover. So he created this video on 18 Feb 2019, and this is his link, affiliate link. If someone clicks on that link, definitely this person buy the product, definitely this person will earn a commission. So I hope you get the idea. Once you started to create regular videos, 1 or 2 videos on a day, then you will start seeing results after 1 or 2 months. You also need to add some description as well, and I hope that's all. So if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to guide you. And for making money from your home, I have placed a link in my description box, which is the most recommended method I have been using for many years, and I suggest you to use this program to earn an income and leave your 9 to 5 job. Thank you.